Hey guys, I'm showing you this flower building kit. It's a 3-pack red rose flower bouquet building set and it's a gift for mother, wife, girlfriend, woman's birthday, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day or anything you want to use. It's a 231 pieces Lego style building blocks that you can do, and it comes like in 3 different packs and 3 different guide. So there are three manual or the instruction sheet and 3 different packs. So it can be given as one or it can be given as three, whatever you want to. And this is really a nice thing to do, that you can do loan some material, some building thing. And this is a ABS material, colorful and with easy assembly. Do it yourself for home decor. And you can do like a dual form, like a tilted form or the straight form. And of course it needs some time to make it, and uh, you know uh, join this parts. I try to show you in a fast mode so that you can see. But of course, like, the manual is really helpful, and you can see like this looks like this after making it. Looks really nice, like a red rose flower with a bright colors and a good material. And as I said, you can use these leaves or the different other things with it. And yeah, beautiful thing with the 3 rose flowers.